Hey everyone, welcome back to DigiTech Dynamo. Today we're diving into an exciting project where we control a 360-degree continuous servo motor using an MPU6050 accelerometer and gyroscope sensor, displaying the control values on a 16x2 LCD. Let's jump right in and get started. For this project, we'll need an Arduino board, the MPU6050 sensor, a 360-degree continuous servo, a 16x2 LCD, a few jumper wires. Wiring. Let's first connect the MPU6050 to the Arduino using the I2C protocol. Then we'll hook up the servo motor to pin 2 and finally the LCD to pins 7 through 12. Make sure the connections are tight. Loose connections could mess things up later. Now onto the code. We start by initializing the MPU6050 and setting up the LCD. We've also mapped the accelerometer values to control the speed and direction of the servo motor. This allows us to use motion to directly control the servo, which can be useful for motion-based robotics or remote control applications. Let's upload the code and see what happens. If everything is wired up correctly, the servo will rotate based on the data from the MPU6050. You'll also see the control value displayed on the LCD in real time. As I tilt the sensor, the servo moves. Notice how it responds to both X and Y axis movement. This smooth control can be used for various projects that involve balancing or motion sensing. If your MPU6050 connection fails or you get erratic movements, check the wiring. It's the smallest thing that can cause problems, like a single loose wire or a bad connection. That's it for today's tutorial. You now have a setup where you can control a servo with motion, and the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more tutorials. See you in the next one.